Most clothing brands spend hundreds of dollars per product on model photo shoots. Pixel API Try-On does it in under a minute, for 2.5 cents. This is the virtual try-on tool on Pixel API. You upload a person photo, you upload a garment, you pick the category, and the AI dresses your model. 25 credits per try, about 2.5 cents. Let me sign in. I'll use the email login since this is my test account. Pixel API gives every new user 100 free credits, no card required. From the dashboard, I'll click Virtual Try-On in the sidebar. First, the person photo. The AI works best with a torso-visible front-facing shot. I'll upload my model, ready to be swapped into a new outfit. Next, the garment. A clean flat lay or product photo on a light background gives the cleanest result. I'm picking this gray hooded jacket. Category is upper body since this is a jacket. I'll click Try On, 25 credits. It runs in roughly 30 to 40 seconds. While it processes, think about what this replaces: a studio booking, a photographer, a model, half a day. And here is the result. The jacket is rendered onto the model. The face, the watch, the background, all preserved. The fit looks natural. That's the web flow. Now, if you're running a store with 50 new arrivals next week, you don't want to do this by hand. Here is the API. I'm using the requests library. Set my API key as a bearer token. Open the person and the garment, base64 encode them, and post them as JSON to /v1/virtual-try-on. The response gives me a job ID. I poll the job's endpoint every 5 seconds. When the status comes back as completed, I download the output URL and save the image. That is the whole script. Let me run it. The job is queued, then processing, and after about 30 seconds, completed. The output saves to disk. Let me open it. Same try-on, generated by code. You can wire this into your product upload flow, into a customer wishlist preview, into your Shopify import. Anywhere a flat product photo needs to become an on-model shot. 25 credits per try. 8 try-ons for $1. 100 free credits when you sign up. pixelapi.dev. Virtual try-on.